You are invited. The Secret Typewriter Museum. Typewriters Anonymous. Bought 100 typewriters, 100 desktop typewriters, and they've taken over my life. Come visit them here at the Typewriter Museum. Or better yet, have us come to you. We'll bring the typewriters, you bring the party. This is one of our main installations of the Typewriter Museum. A little installation I call Six-Pack of Coronas. These are my babies. These are my percussion instruments. I bang out 6 3-foot-long poems at a go. I call the performance Six-Pack of Coronas. Come on by for a typewriter tasting. Meet a rusty typewriter that's perfect for planting in your garden. A typewriter that's over 100 years old and may never function again, and a beautifully reconditioned typewriter by Ruben Flores, our very own, from here in Highland Park in Los Angeles on Tongva land. Meet the typewriter that will last another 100 years.